and hi, welcome to my video. Starlight Show. If you're new, you're welcome. And today we are going to play a fun game called Scary Teacher. In this game, you're technically supposed to prank your teacher. So let's get into it. Find mousetrap and place it on the table. Two torture sticks. Oh.
What a pleasant day it is.
Yes, it is a very pleasant day. Place mousetrap on the table. Run out of the house before Misty comes. Run!
Today's the day I make the front cover of the paper.
Huh?
Who else could it be?
Someone else tomorrow? How would it always be you? Oh. Her head is red! Wow, that was something.
I'm definitely the best chef in the world. I'm definitely the best chef in the world.
Yeah, definitely. Yes, definitely you are. Open store and use not pick to open the lock. Oh, we're going shopping. You. Let's go. Add salt to her breakfast. Run before. Run. Gotta go fast. Actually, what is that? Candy, what is that? Is he choking? Ew! Just get that! Ew! Huh?